Ever heard of free $750 Walmart gift cards just for answering a few questions? Sounds like a dream, right? Or maybe it's a trap? Let's break it down before you waste your time, or worse, your personal info. When you first land on talktester.com, it's almost too good to be true. A cheerful virtual assistant named Emily pops up, inviting you to become a Walmart product reviewer. You're told you can score a $750 Walmart gift card by completing a few simple tasks. Sounds like easy money, doesn't it? At first glance, everything feels legit. The chat is friendly, the offer seems clear, and there's even a big shiny image of the gift card. Your excitement starts to build. Imagine all the things you could buy with that $750. But, as the saying goes, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Here's where things start to get weird. You click to get started, thinking, okay, let's get that free card. But instead of staying on talktester.com, you're redirected to another website, and then another. Doesn't this feel like a bad version of a road trip? You're promised a great destination, but instead you keep getting dragged through sketchy detours. The next site demands even more: your phone number, your email, even your postal code. Wait a second. Shouldn't alarm bells be ringing by now? Giving out personal information to unknown sites? That's a one-way ticket to spam calls, phishing emails, or worse. Insert humorous comment. At this point, I'm thinking, if Emily was really my friend, why is she doing me dirty like this? Then comes the final twist. You're redirected again to another site asking you to download apps, fill out surveys, and complete even more deals. And the kicker? No gift card magically appears at the end of this never-ending maze. That's right, no $750 for you. So what's really happening here? Scammers are cashing in on your clicks, surveys, and app downloads. They're making money off your effort, while you walk away with absolutely nothing. And here's the scariest part. That gift card image? Look closely. In tiny print it says, "Offer not sponsored or endorsed by Walmart." Yikes. If Walmart isn't backing this, where's the gift card supposed to come from? Answer: it isn't. The truth is, talktester.com is just another clever scam designed to reel you in with flashy promises. Don't let excitement blind you. Think twice before handing over your info. Scams like this are everywhere these days, and it's more important than ever to stay informed. If you found this review helpful, check out my video on insidergifted.com review. $700 gift card scam are legit. Trust me, you'll want to see it before you click on any more too good to be true offers. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.